So here we are today at number 30 Templegate Drive in LS15, very close to Crossgate Station, Temple Newsam and Halton. It's a 4-bed semi-detached house. Let's go and have a look. As you can see inside this deceptively spacious 4-bedroom semi, it lets in an absolute abundance of natural light. Let's go and have a look at the lounge. This fabulous reception room is representative of the whole house. It's immaculately presented and offers brilliant living space. We've got the double doors through to the kitchen, so if you'd like to follow me. So the family living space extends into this fabulous modern kitchen, which has been extended to the rear, giving 2 VELUX windows and the sliding doors out to the patio, as well as the modern kitchen with all the necessary appliances and this brilliant space here as a dining area. So I'm standing here in the extended section of the kitchen with the VELUX windows and the lovely patio doors leading out to the garden. The modern kitchen is fabulous for family living. We've got the dining space either here or here, depending on whatever setup it is that you're looking for. So as we come outside, we've got a spot of alfresco living. We've got this lovely patioed area with the lawn, and we've got the space over here which could potentially house a shed or a garage, depending on what you're looking for. It's absolutely perfect for summer barbecues and enjoying the weather that we've definitely got at the moment. So as with the rest of the house, the current owners have upgraded this beautiful bathroom. You've got this huge bath with the shower over it and the gorgeous tiles, really modern vanity unit. It's just a really lovely space. So one of the great things about this house is the double bedrooms are really quite spacious. This is the guest bedroom in here, which is at the rear of the property overlooking the garden, and has got ample room for plenty of storage. Formerly the master bedroom, here's another fabulous sized double bedroom. Again, absolutely flooded with natural light and plenty of storage space. So here we are upstairs in the absolute piece de resistance of the house. This is the extended master bedroom, offers fabulous views over Leeds. You've got, again, masses and masses of space with the storage. And the great thing is we've also got an ensuite bathroom. So that is number 30 Templegate Drive. Just to recap, we're here in Temple Newsam, within close proximity to Crossgate train station. The number 19 bus is at the end of this road. That'll take you either into town or to Garforth. We've got Temple Newsam itself, which is beautiful, and Halton is close by, where you've got the shops, restaurants, bars, amenities. We're sort of in the middle of all of this area. Brilliant house, really worth coming to have a look at. Please call the office on 0113 468 9650 and arrange your viewing. Thank you.